In this video, we are going to learn how to evaluate an algebraic expression using paper and pencil. If you need to know what an algebraic expression is, I would encourage you to watch the previous video titled, "What is an algebraic expression?" So I have a sample GED problem where we're asked to find the value of the algebraic expression a squared times b. I'm going to go ahead and rewrite that down below. A squared times b, showing the multiplication symbol directly with a dot, plus a times b minus a times b squared. And notice I've written the multiplication symbols that normally would not be shown in the algebraic expression, because when two letters are next to each other, that means that those values are being multiplied. And I'm going to find the value of this expression when a is equal to 3. So what I'm now going to do is every place there's an a, I'm going to substitute that with a 3. So I'm coming down here, every single a is being replaced with the number 3. And b is equal to -2. So I'm going to do the same thing with substituting for the b's. Now notice I'm putting the negative number in parentheses to make sure that I don't confuse the fact that that's a negative number as opposed to that maybe being misinterpreted as a subtraction symbol. Then the plus sign, plus a, which was 3, times, again I'm putting the -2 in parentheses so that we can see that's a negative number, minus a times -2 squared, where again I've substituted for b with the value -2. So I've now replaced each of the letters in the original algebraic expression with the values that they are equal to. And then now we just have an arithmetic numerical expression. We can go ahead and evaluate this by finding each of the components using the order of operations. So 3 squared is 9. 3 times 3 is 9. I'm going to bring down the -2 that it's being multiplied by. Notice I'm using order of operations, so I'm doing all the exponent terms for all the exponent pieces first. And then -2 times -2 is a +4. I don't need the parentheses around that result because it's not a negative number anymore. And then now I just continue by doing my work going down. The next operations are going to be the 3 multiplications. 9 times -2 is a -18, and again I'm still keeping that in parentheses to make sure that I know that's a negative number, plus 3 times -2 is -6, and again I keep that in parentheses so I don't confuse that negative sign as being a subtraction symbol, and then minus 3 times 4 is 12. So far so good. We're just doing the work from left to right. Next I do the addition. -18 plus a -6 is a -24. Still keeping parentheses around that to make sure we see that's a negative number. Minus 12, -24, subtract 12 is a -36. So that's the answer that we're looking for in this case, which would be answer B for this particular problem.